Have you been struggling with dull or irritated skin and you're just tired of it? No worries. I'm going to tell you exactly how I transform my skin from this to this. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Stevie, the smile behind StevieMStarks, and tonight I'm going to be sharing with you my nighttime skincare routine and the secret, okay? The secret that transformed my skin. And that is, drum roll please, skin cycling. So in this YouTube video, I'm going to be sharing with you every step of my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to be telling you exactly what skin cycling is and how it can help your skin. So before I actually show you what I do in my skincare routine, let's talk about what skin cycling actually is. Typically, it's a 4-night skincare routine that was designed to help prevent irritation for people like me who have sensitive skin. And it's supposed to help improve your results by alternating actives that may be in your skincare routine along with recovery nights. So what do I mean by a 4-day routine? So typically the 4 nights include the first night being an exfoliation night, the second night being a retinol night, and the third and fourth night being a recovery night, which means that you're really trying to focus on repairing the skin barrier and just give all your skin all that hydration that it needs, especially during the winter. And this is so important because when you use actives in your skincare routine, you really want your skin to have the chance to heal. And so that is why the recovery nights are essential. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I do during my nighttime skincare routine. First and foremost, I personally don't like when water drips down my hands, so I have to put my wristbands on. Next, if you have long hair or hair that tends to get in your face, like me when I have my hair out, I highly suggest putting it back so that it does not touch your face while you are cleansing. Your hairs might have oil or might have residue from the products that you use. We don't want that to touch our clean face. So that's why I always use a headband, or you might see me with my bonnet on just to keep my hair out of my face. Now, step 1, I always cleanse my face. For me personally, double cleansing works wonders for my skin as well. So I incorporate that in my skin cycling routine. So I use 2 products. I use an oil-based cleanser or a cleansing balm, and I use a water-based cleanser. Tonight, I'm going to be using the Elemis Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love this cleansing balm. I'm almost out. My new one just came in yesterday. I had to rebuy this. This stuff is so good. With that being said, this video is about the skin cycling method, okay? If you have products that you already love that you can put into this method, use what you have. You do not have to use my products that I'm using. I just love telling people about the products that I use. So if you are interested in checking out those products, I will have them all linked down below in the description box. With double cleansing, and if you use an oil cleanser or a cleansing balm, always start off with your face being dry. Also, I did this off camera. Please, please, please wash your hands before you touch your face. Your hands have germs on them. We don't want dirty hands on a clean face, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this cleansing balm. And I love to rub this all over my face, massaging it everywhere. This is good for if you do wear makeup or if you don't. Now, if you're an oily skin girl and you're wondering, oil with oil, am I gonna break out? What I'm about to show you is the most important step when you use an oil cleanser or a cleansing balm, okay? My hands were dry on a dry face. Now I'm going to apply water to my hands and I'm going to emulsify the oil on my face. This is going to help to get rid of that oil off of your skin so that your skin does not get clogged up with this oil that you just massaged into your face. So let me show you. So my hands are wet and I'm going to massage my face all over again, and you will see it turn white. This is what you want. Now it's time to rinse this off. Now that I've rinsed off my cleansing balm, I'm going in with a water-based cleanser. This one is by The Face Shop, and it is their foaming cleanser called Rice Water Bright. This cleanser I'm just gonna apply all over my skin, massage it in for about a minute, minute and a half, and then rinse it off. I really like this cleanser because if you are new to skincare products, some skincare can get very expensive. This cleanser does an amazing job deep cleansing my face, and to me, it is very affordable. Step 2 really depends on what night it is. So for example, if it is the exfoliation night, I would go right in with my chemical exfoliant. The one that I have been using that I absolutely swear by is by Dr. Dennis Gross. You have probably seen this all over social media. It is amazing, okay? But the reason why I love skin cycling is my skin can't tolerate doing this every day, every other day. So with skin cycling, I know that I can at least use this every 4 days, okay? So it gives my skin a little break from this. Otherwise, like I had been doing before I found skin cycling, my skin would be extremely irritated. So if you are currently using this, but you still see some irritation, it's probably your skin telling you that it needs to recover some. So with this method, your skin will absolutely love you. So this is what I would use for step 2 if it was exfoliation night. Since it is not, it is actually retinol night for me, I would go in with a hydrating toner. I would also use this as my second step for recovery nights as well. This is my favorite hydrating toner. This is by Beekman 1802. This is their milkshake toner. If you were on TikTok, this thing went viral all the time. So as you can see, my skin is very clean, but it is drying out. So I like to bring that moisture back into my skin by using a hydrating toner. I'm gonna just apply it to the cotton pad. And I like to spray it on my face as well. Since today is retinol night, after I use my hydrating toner, I go in with my retinol. I use retinol to target fine lines and to improve skin texture. This retinol is by Shani Darden. It is her Retinol Reform. And I love all things Shani Darden. If you haven't heard of this brand, highly suggest using it. It is woman-owned and Black-owned. Love her dearly. I just use a pea size of this retinol and apply it all over my face, and then I take a half a pea size and apply it on my neck. If this were night 3 and 4, after my hydrating toner, I go in with a hydrating serum. Remember, I'm trying to repair my skin barrier. I'm trying to get all that hydration back into my skin. I love this one by Estee Lauder. It is their Advanced Night Repair. This does all the things, okay? Hydration, fights wrinkles, brightens the skin, all the things. And it is super hydrating. I love this stuff. I'm halfway done and I will be buying this again. So step 4 for all of the nights is using a moisturizer. Tonight is retinol night. Retinol can be drying to some people. One of the reasons why I love this retinol is this is not drying to me at all. But when you use retinol, it is so important to use a moisturizer afterwards. The moisturizer that I have been using is this Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream by Fenty Skin. I love this moisturizer so much. The hydration that it gives me, it also helps to brighten the skin. So that is very lovely because I am also on a mission to fade these dark spots, which they have been doing so well, y'all. If you want a video on how I faded my dark spots, let me know below in the comments because girl, the before and afters are beautiful. But anyways, I take my moisturizer and massage it all over my face and my neck. I always use leftover skincare and put it on my hands. Now the next steps are optional. I like to use a eye cream to help target my dark circles and fine lines under my eyes. The eye cream that I have been using that I absolutely love, and I was actually asked to be an ambassador for this brand, is by Beautystat, and it is their Universal C eye perfector. Again, this is not technically part of the skin cycling method, but it is a step that I use. And my last step of my nighttime skincare routine, but is also optional, is I have to end with a lip mask. And one of my favorites that I'll be using tonight is also by Fenty Skin, and it is their Plush Pudding Intensive Recovery Mask. I just love going to bed with soft lips and waking up with soft lips. So this is what my face looks like after my nighttime skincare routine. The glow, the hydration, it just feels so good. So the reason why I love skin cycling, and I swear by it, is because my skin is clear. It is not irritated anymore. Like, I was getting pimples and I was like, what is happening? I'm using all the products that everybody says to use. And come to find out, I was using too many products at once. Skin cycling helped get me on a routine so I could use the actives that I wanted, but then it allowed my skin to rest. My skin is brighter, it is clear, the best that it has looked in years, okay? And it's really all because I stopped overusing actives in my skincare routine. Now, you might be really excited to try skin cycling, and I am so happy for you, but I do want to say, consistency and patience are going to be your best friends, okay? Sometimes skincare products takes weeks to show their results. So if you stay consistent with your routine, you will see results, but you have to be patient, okay? Don't give up if you don't see results in 2 weeks. Please. Keep on going. I'd say at least give the products 2 months to see if you see any results. By then, you should see some result. Now I'm curious. Have you been convinced to use skin cycling? Have you used skin cycling before? I want to know down below in the comments. And if you are new here and you felt like this video was helpful, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment, and share with a friend. If you know a friend that is having trouble with their skin and you think this might help them, please share with them. I am always looking to expand my YouTube community. With that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time.